Okay, welcome back guys. I'm just going to give a quick demo of the 4-block format we discussed in the previous video. This is entirely body weight. Okay, so the first exercise I've chosen is body weight squats. I'm setting my timer. We're going to go for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm setting my timer. Okay, and I'm getting right into it. So 30 seconds of squats. Again, whatever tempo you decide to do. Full range of motion. That is pain-free is what we're after. That's it. Already half there. That's it. You go a bit faster if you want, or a bit slower. 3, 2, and last one. Good. Second one is just a push-up. So, feet together, squeeze the glutes, vertical form, and I'm going to go up for 30 seconds, like so. All the way up, all the way down. Again, you could do an elevated version if you don't have the capacity for full push-ups. 10 seconds in, full range. Again, you could also vary the tempo. Just make sure you have full range, pain-free. 10 seconds left. Two, and one. Last one, or core exercise, guys. Same position. It's called a slow mountain climber. We're just going to bring the knee in nice and slow. Changing legs. Should be no movement of the spine. 10 seconds in already. Again, you don't even have to move your knees in. You could just even hold a high plank like so. 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. 2, and last one. Final one, guys. I've chosen to do some vertical jumps. Again, so jump as high or little as you want. Up, soft landing, 30 seconds, last exercise. And up, soft landing, and up. Again, if this is too demanding, you can even just do body weight squats. Any other lower body exercise should do it. Also, any cardio piece that you have. And up. 10 seconds. And up. 3, 2, and 1. There we are. 4-block format, body weight exercises. Thank you.